Darrell Brooks in his own words.
Testimony from a Waukesha police detective continued today for a second day. It focused on Brooks's interrogation the day after the parade. Fox 6's Brett Lemoyne joins us live now outside the Waukesha County Courthouse with the moment Brooks acknowledged the severity of the crimes.
And by the end of that 4-hour-long police interrogation, Brooks told police that his life was over. Investigators say not once during those 4 hours did Brooks ever ask about the victims in this case or their injuries. Police say Brooks's entire story was a lie. Case in point, Brooks initially told police that he got a ride to Waukesha from a friend in a tan-colored Kia. Brooks told the detective his mother, Dawn Woods, didn't own a car and can't drive. When Brooks was arrested, police say the key to Woods' red Ford Escape was in his pocket. Police say the SUV is also registered to Woods. Brooks told police he was, quote, being railroaded because police wouldn't tell Brooks what he was charged with. Police say Brooks drove the SUV through the parade. 6 people died and dozens of others were hurt. More than 3 hours into that interrogation, police showed Brooks a video of the parade. He wouldn't look at it.
I can't even get a word in.
Because we're going round and around and around, Darrell.
We're just going to keep going around and around, yeah.
And you're acting like you don't.
I mean, it's
acting like you don't know what these are, and you do.
No, you making it seem like I don't care. Like I'm just this heartless type of person.
Now, police say they asked Brooks why he drove through the parade and what was going through his mind at the time. Police say they did not get an answer. Of course, Darrell Brooks entered not guilty pleas to all of the charges that he's faced with. Reporting live in Waukesha, Brett Lemoyne, Fox 6 News.
Brett, I have to ask, the prosecution is expected to rest its case tomorrow. We'll see if that actually happens or not. But a witness was called for the defense today out of order. Can you explain that and how it went?
Yes, Stephanie, it was kind of an unusual move. There's a man, Juan Marquez, who is actually on the state's witness list. He was called by Darrell Brooks as one of his witnesses in the case. And because of the need for a Spanish interpreter, the scheduling of that matter necessitated that he take the stand, Mr. Marquez take the stand to testify today.
How'd that go?
It was pretty interesting. I don't think it went as well as Darrell Brooks had hoped. And the reason is, it sounds like during his initial interview with police, Mr. Marquez said the SUV that went down the parade route was black. And Darrell Brooks questioned him on the stand today, saying, what do you remember about the SUV? And today he said he couldn't remember. So it sounds like he was trying to get at that maybe it was a different SUV or a different color, kind of poke some holes in the state's case. But that did not appear to be the case today.
Makes sense as to why he wanted him on his witness list. One more quick thing before I let you go. Judge Darrow actually sent Brooks to a different courtroom next door to control his outbursts. We saw this happen earlier on in the trial. What set him off today?
Yeah, and Stephanie, it had been quite a while since Judge Darrow did send him to that adjacent courtroom just next door. So kind of unclear what really prompted this, but Judge Darrow said, you know, it was 10 interruptions just so far this morning that really was one of the basis for this. And also, she said that he spoke a lot under his breath as the jury would enter the courtroom. And so Judge Darrow said enough is enough, and she sent him to that adjacent courtroom. But he was only there for a couple of minutes. He asked to come back shortly after.
Patience. It's getting hard to find these days. All right, Brett, we appreciate it. Thank you. Stay with Fox 6 for the latest from this trial. We will bring you the updates both here on air and online.